Welcome to Planter Garden TV. I'm preparing my garden for the spring. That's my winter crop there with my cabbage, kale, collard greens. That's my winter crop, everything coming in pretty nice. But yeah, this is what I do, right? I don't use no kind of fertilizer and those kind of stuff. In my previous video, I show you guys how I go into the rotten trees and scrape out the inside, and I get manure from that. I call that my fertilizer. But other than that, see, I prepare my bed. This is my bed I prepare. The reason why I'm doing this is because it's like a slope, and every time I throw my manure around and the rain come, it wash it away. So I'm trying to keep the water from flushing through this area and able to support from the banks them getting washed away. So this is how I do my garden. Okay, this is the area that I ain't start nothing here yet. But if you see a lot of dry bush and dry grass. I spread them out, and I usually do it all year, but I was kind of busy, so I'm doing it kind of late. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna leave this for like a month or so, and then I'm gonna mix it in with some dirt, and that's gonna be my manure for my vegetables. Dry bush and grass and those kind of stuff. So you get organic vegetables, nothing add to it. I mean, that's what you need. No fertilizer, no kind of craziness. Just natural. This is real organic. Or these are natural grown. Nothing added to them.